Imagine being torn from your home, chained, and transported across the ocean to a life of unimaginable hardship. This was the grim reality
Hello
for
everybody, you are
millions of
thinking
Africans
now, I
during
know
the slave
everyone
trade.
is thinking, how you
Captured
can
by
create a
force or
video
deceit,
like this one,
Africans were packed
but don't
tightly
know
into
that it is very simple. By using ChatGPT. Let's start by exploring GPTs, and we are going to check where it is written. Generate a text-to-video maker. Start chart by telling GPT. Let's start by script. Enter an idea of what you want to create. And ChatGPT will give you two options, choose what you want to use. Now write create video if you don't have any adjustments you want to make. Click here to the title, and you will be navigated here. You will need to join with your Google account. The main need of joining is to have a workplace and to be able to download your videos. You will need to up-plan if you want to get your videos without watermark. Please be patient, it may take some minutes, but it will not be late, and you will download your video. In video AI will start itself to work on it. You will need to wait some time. Now your video has been downloaded, and you can go ahead and upload it on your YouTube channel. Please don't miss to subscribe to this channel. See you,
Welcome
thanks
to the
for
world
watching.
of volcano tourism, where nature's fiery wonders await. From Italy's Mount Etna to Hawaii's Kilauea, volcanoes offer breathtaking views and thrilling adventures. Explore lava fields, witness active eruptions, and hike rugged trails for an unforgettable experience. Always prioritize safety, follow local guidelines, wear appropriate gear, and stay with experienced guides. Discover the magic of volcano tourism and create memories that will last a lifetime.